The temporary crown is an important part of fixed restoration. Its main function is to protect the pulp from damage before the tooth is formally worn, to ensure the correct position of the gums, and to prevent tooth displacement due to missing teeth. Moreover, the crown has high precision and can play a good retention effect. With the development of 3D printing temporary crowns have become a common technique for dentists, which can complete the restoration, beauty and shape improvement of teeth in a short period of time. The doctor obtains the oral data of the patient through oral scan and CBCT. The collected data will be transmitted to the design center, and the professional dental designers in the design center will lay out and design the temporary crown. After the design is completed, the three-dimensional crown model will be processed by the software slicing, and then using ACME R3 PRO to print. The doctor only needs a few simple steps on site to quickly complete the printing of the temporary crown. R3 PRO adopts 8K black and white screen with ultra-high resolution of 7680 by 4320. With COB light source technology, it restores the vivid details of the model and makes the model more beautiful in detail. At the same time, the constant temperature design of the chamber keeps the resin at a constant temperature and greatly improves the success rate of printing. R3 PRO can be applied not only to temporary crowns, but also to surgical guides, orthodontic, restorations, and gums. 3D printing temporary crown is a method of digitally producing temporary crowns. Compared with the production of traditional temporary crowns, it has the advantages of fast speed, high precision, high comfort, and low cost. If the clinic wants to develop digitally, introduce relevant 3D printing equipment, I think is very necessary.